Three red flags you need to know before taking a credit advice from other people. Part three. If they're advising you to file a FTC report for identity theft on accounts that's actually your accounts, that's a red flag, you guys. Especially if you've been making payments on these accounts and you know these accounts are yours and you just, fell off and you just start having financial hardship and you've been making monthly payments on it and now they want you to claim fraud on charge-offs and collections, you guys. That's a red flag. That's a big no-no that you should not be doing. When you file an FTC identity theft report, it is shared with more than 2,800 law enforcement. They do an investigation, you guys. And this is why people, as far as like false credit bureaus, are getting caught, because the simple fact they are filing FTC reports and they are filing police reports that are false, which is committing fraud, you guys. You will get in trouble. They'll get in trouble, they'll shut down or they'll be fined, you guys. So make sure that you are paying attention to this red flag, especially on accounts that are your account.